happiness and success. In today's video, I want to share with you the most important thing for making all relationships around you very happy and fulfilling. And this is the tip. Most of us have time for everything. We put a schedule to do what all we wanted to do in a day. But however, we forget to include the most loved people of our life into that schedule. In today's schedule of yours, please include the time for your loved ones. This is going to be the most important and most significant for your relationship building. Wishing you happiness and success. I hope today's video will help you ignite your day today. And please remember to share your experiences in the comment box below and also subscribe to our channel so that you are getting regular update from us. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.